So I chose this particular course because it's the first in my knowledge that seemed to cover all the topics I was curious about and all the topics I wanted to learn more about. And I didn't, I think in India, this is one that provided all of this for me in a very systematic way and clear way. So that's why I chose to enroll in this course. The intention behind it was because I worked with pregnant women and their babies when I was doing my music therapy internship training, and that was the demographic I enjoyed working with the most. It was the most challenging, the most even rewarding, I would say. But when I was looking at practice and wanting to continue working, I knew that I needed more information, more academic knowledge, what is right, what is wrong, because it is a very vulnerable time period, and so that is the intention behind pursuing this course. So one of the things I really appreciated about this course was how organized it was. So far, I've not had that experience where each module and each unit and even the sub-units, everything is numbered and given in advance for the students to read through and, prepare. And there's just so many resources. So that's something I really appreciated about this course. So I was looking forward, once I got the timetable, I was looking forward to all of these practices. I really attended each session with a lot of curiosity and gained a lot of insight. But I do think the most impactful for me was the creative arts session that happened, because there was just something so healing and rewarding of actually feeling the different elements in your hand and placing it on paper and then seeing it and representing your own story, your own experience and thoughts on paper. And I definitely think that's something I can continue practicing and include in my sessions also. I would recommend this. I already know, so like my colleagues when I was working, there were many people who were also doing their postings in these communities and were interested in further working with them. So I do think that, if I shared that I am doing this course and connected with them and recommended it, it would definitely help build even their practice and, make them more knowledgeable, integrated, effective practitioners.
Thank you.